now just blending the colors together. I've added a little pink eyeshadow. Now I'm going to curl the lashes. I've already curled those lashes. I'm going to curl here. So that way the fake lashes and the real ones really mesh together. And a sure way to make sure that there's no separation. But what I want to do next is give a bit of life to the face by adding some bronzer. A lot of stars really love to have very natural skin and very natural sheen, so always good to give it. I'm going to use a cream blush. Just smile for me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start lining the lips. Because I want to make the lip color very intense, I chose a lip liner that's of more intensity than the lipstick, and that gives me that color that I want. The lips are very soft because I've already applied the lip balm. To give it a true Hollywood style look, I'm going to use this pencil. This is concealer. This is Yves Saint Laurent concealer. But it helps to highlight the lips and also define the lips. So if you want a really clean line along the lips, you have to work fast because it dries very fast. And then you blend it up. So I'm just going to emphasize a little bit more under the eyes. Just going to use a bit more concealer to just make very, very clean under the eyes. And highlight the cheekbones at the same time. The difference between a concealer and a foundation, concealer usually is high pigmented, so it has the ability of cover what we consider to be imperfections, whether it's a dark shadow or pimple or a scar. It has the ability to cover those things because with very little product because it's so highly pigmented. Foundations usually, depending which one you choose, they have much lighter texture and not as pigmented. I'm just blending it in. Some people use a sponge, some people use the fingers. I'm using the sponge here, but I love using the fingers too. So what I'm going to use is eyeshadow. Just make sure when you give yourself a bronzy look that you don't forget the ears, because that's a a tell. So I just want to emphasize the pink on her eyes. Gloss on the lips.